Today we're going to show you how to assemble your new Tru-Test plate meter. Also how to calibrate it if required. There are two models of plate meter which both measure compressed pasture. This first model measures 0 to 250 millimeters. The second model measures 0 to 400 millimeters and uses a longer shaft to be able to measure tropical grasses where required. To assemble a plate meter, lift it up with the counter facing the ground. Pick the plate up and holding the plate, screw it onto the top of the plate meter, spinning it around until it is firmly tightened. Sit on a flat surface. Take the handle and screw it to the top of the plate meter. You will notice on the handle that there is a collar. When you have tightened the handle, undo the collar and adjust the height to suit your personal needs. Ensure that this collar is done back up firmly so as that the handle will not slide up and down and wear. Now you will need to assemble the extension on this long grooved plate meter. On the bottom you will notice an O-ring. Slide the O-ring off. Hold this to ensure that it does not drop down and damage the plate meter. Using the thread locker, put drops of thread locker into the female thread. Take hold of the threaded grooved rod extension and screw this in. If any excess is sitting on the shaft, wipe the excess off. Your plate meter is now ready for use. However, we should now check the calibration. If after you've assembled your plate meter and you have tested it and found that as you lift the plate counter up and down that it does not beep at the very base when it is flat, you will need to recalibrate the unit. To recalibrate the unit, you will need to switch the unit off at the back, hold the right hand count button down and turn it on. You will see calibrate come up and a number on the screen. That number should be at 0. To calibrate the unit, turn the unit round. There is a rubber bung at the back of the unit. Remove the rubber bung and insert in the hole where it reads 0. Adjust a flat bladed screwdriver until you engage the slot and turn it anti-clockwise or to the left gently until it reads 0. Once it is read 0, you may turn it off. At the back, turn it back on again, put back in the plastic bung and the unit will be calibrated. Lift the unit up and down. If it is beeping, it is correctly calibrated.